Question number 7, given that y is equal to x cos of 2x, find dy over dx. We need to find the dy over dx, where y is the product of two functions x and cos of 2x. So we will use product rule. So du v with respect to dx is equals to u derivative of v plus v derivative of v. In this case, we will consider x as a u and this one is a v. So apply this formula to find the derivative of y. So dy over dx is equals to u, which is x, derivative of v, which is cos of 2x, plus v, which is cos of 2x, and derivative of u means derivative of x. So x remains same, and derivative of cos of 2x is negative sine of 2x, and derivative of the angle, which is derivative of 2x, plus cos of 2x remains same, and derivative of x is 1. So we will have negative x sine of 2x, and derivative of 2x is 2, plus cos of 2x. So we have dy over dx is equals to negative 2x sine of 2x plus cos of 2x. Part B, hence find the integration of x sine of 2x dx. Here we have the two functions, which is x and 2x. So this one is u, this one is v. So we can use by parts. So the integration of uv is equals to u integration of v with respect to dx minus integration and derivative of u with respect to x times integration of v with respect to x and whole integration with respect to x. So we can apply this formula to find the integration of given function. So x, which is u, integration of v, which is sine of 2x with respect to dx minus integration derivative of u means derivative of x times integration of v means integration of sine of 2x dx and whole integration. X remains same, integration of sine of 2x is negative cos of 2x over, we have the multiple 2 in the angle x, so it will be divided, minus derivative of x is 1 and integration of sine of 2x, which is negative cos of 2x over 2 with respect to dx. Further solving, we will have negative x cos of 2x over 2 and negative time negative cos of 2x is positive and integration of cos of 2x and this one is 1 over 2 dx. Now negative x cos of 2x over 2 plus 1 over 2 integration of cos of 2x is sine of 2x over 2 plus c constant. So further solving, we will have negative x cos of 2x over 2 plus 1 over 4 sine of 2x plus c.